I told you my ideas always good. Alright. Keys are going down. I just said no. Figure everything. Can we get out? Bam! Bam! Pull here we. Alright. Here's the tree. Yeah. I'm staying right here. We're staying back here so we don't. Yeah, because if we get too close, they're gonna report us. Here. Oh, it's right there. I think it's one engine. It's one engine. Don't get DPU. Train we've ever filmed at this crossing. It's Brickyard Road. Yeah, today we were saying all the crossings we filmed from. Oh yeah, well here's a new one. I know. You can kind of still see it down there. We definitely want to beat it to the train station, so I'm glad we turned off here. Wouldn't that be awesome to live in that house right next to the tracks? I see another exit yet. I know. You know, if we lived in a house right there, I'd set up like a camera that's always recording. If we had a house like that, I'd set up a camera that was always recording. I like CSX about yeah. It shows like the train. See right there? Yeah, like that. I love it. Don't see it. Troy, you know, apparently that's supposed to be a box car. I know. Because I always thought it was supposed to, since it's so far along in the train, I'm assuming it'll be an DPU if there is one. This is a very long train. There is no doubt about it. There it is. Yeah, middle engine. A middle engine, yes. Our first ever middle engine on video. 3373. Yeah, middle engine. The DPU, there goes the unit down there. Wait, wasn't this your train to film? Yeah, that's okay. Just you'll film the rest of them. I can still see that engine. Oh yeah, you can still see the engine. I don't know if you can see it on here. There's the end. There's the end. There's no engine at the end. What if it's like a 3-engine train? That was awesome, middle engine. That was a very long train, and there it goes. Wow! Wow! Does it spell ring on the way up? No, it doesn't. We're not too close. They'll go up, go the gates. Okay, thanks for watching, and please subscribe to JTR Bricks. See ya. Awesome. That was awesome. Bye.
75.1. Track 2. No defects. Out.